Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Discord without Nitro. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you don't necessarily have Nitro or you don't want to pay for it, you can still change your profile picture and I'll show you how to do it. So let's open up Discord. This works the same on iPhone or Android. Now we're going to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right here. And you can see I just have the generic profile picture. I can tap the little pencil right above it and it gives me two different options. One is I can upload an avatar. This includes any kind of images that are in my gallery. You can see if I wanted the animated avatars, I do have to pay for Nitro. Keep in mind it's $10, so you could just sign up for the $10 Nitro and then cancel it immediately right afterwards. So it costs $10 to have an animated avatar, but I can just tap on upload avatar here and it will bring up all of my pictures from my gallery, and all I have to do is go in here. I can choose a specific one. If I want to say choose that picture, I can hit choose here, and just like that I have updated it without paying for Nitro. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.